This isn't just a grill, it's the heart of your outdoor kitchen. Built to impress, built to last. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, this beauty is made to handle the elements. Grilling after dark? No problem. LED backlit knobs keep you in control, day or night. And check this out. A rust-proof cast aluminum firebox, built for years of top-notch performance. Pro-style stainless cooking grids mean perfect sears every time. With 670 square inches of cooking space, there's plenty of room to feed the whole crew. And with 40,000 BTUs of grilling power, this grill brings the heat. Premium heat retention from cast aluminum firebox distributes temperature evenly. Plus, the 12,000 BTU rotisserie burner with a premium 304 stainless rotisserie kit, because a slow roasted masterpiece? Yeah, you can do that too. Not just a grill, this cast iron griddle adds 334 square inches of extra cooking space for breakfast, smash burgers, sear steaks, and more. And check out this weather-resistant, stain-proof sintered stone countertop. Looks amazing, easy maintenance. Smart storage solutions. Double drawers. Tilt-out trash bin. Easy access front grease tray. Grill lights keep the party going long after the sun sets. Easy to move with casters, and if you need a more solid setup, adjustable legs are available too, which are sold separately. This isn't just a grill, it's your backyard's centerpiece, built to turn every gathering into something special, and maybe make your neighbors a little jealous. Upgrade your outdoor lifestyle. Get yours today.